gas. So this sodium hydroxide, it makes the water alkaline in nature. We know that sodium hydroxide is alkaline in nature. So it makes the water alkaline. And this dilute alkaline water, when flows through the minute hairs or cracks of the boiler, it by capillary action, uh, it gets mm, it is going to be filled into the services of the boiler, and this concentrated alkali reacts with iron to form sodium ferroate. So this alkali, which is going to get accumulated in the services of the boilers, they are now going to react with the iron metal of the boiler, and it will form sodium ferroate, which gets deposited in the services or the cracks if it is there in the boilers. Hence the metal gets stressed at that portion. So the sodium ferroate decomposes like this, that when it reacts with the water, it forms sodium hydroxide and ferric oxide is formed. When it also reacts with the same sodium ferroate, when it reacts with water and oxygen, it forms sodium hydroxide and ferrous oxide is formed. So basically here a galvanic cell is formed between the iron and the NaOH electrolyte. NaOH, which is going to be used as electrolyte. So in this case, it is going to cause the caustic embrittlement. So because of the NaOH, breaking or cracking of the boiler is taking place. So this kind of corrosion is called caustic embrittlement. So how we can prevent the boiler corrosion? So we can prevent the boiler corrosion by adding sodium sulfate to the boiler water. A small amount of sodium sulfate has to be added into the water while boiling the water into the boiler, and by addition of lignin and tannin as additive to the boiler water. So because of that, the NaOH which was formed, that will not get formed. So the alkaline water will not be formed, and that is not going to go inside the services and get deposited there, and because of that the caustic embrittlement will not take place. Then we can also prevent the stress corrosion which is formed. We should take care that there should not be any stressed portion or bent portion or corners developed on the metal surface. So this can be achieved by proper heat treatment of the metal as well as proper annealing process.